Hello, I'm Chaitanya Solanki. I'm from Mau. I've done my graduation in filmmaking. Filmmaking में जब मैंने पहली बार photography पढ़ी, so I got interested in photography, and now I'm going towards becoming a wildlife photographer, which is my interest. 2 years back, I started photography, and since then I've only learned, and now because I want to upgrade myself as a photographer, I've opted for NID and I've given the exam for it. Because I wanted to go into NID, I started looking for some coaching classes. I came across BRDS, and I asked one or two friends of mine, and even they gave me a positive report about it. I wanted to join the coaching classes to sharpen my skills for the entrance exam, which BRDS helped me. I genuinely feel that BRDS is helping the students a lot. I felt myself getting better at drawing and getting my skills sharpened. There is a very friendly environment over here, and it is a great environment for studying and learning. Finally, I've been selected in the photography design course for NID. BRDS has helped me a lot, and I would like to thank them from the bottom of my heart.